Hey guys, so I have found a few things that I need to declutter today. My house is a hot mess and I just need to like lighten the amount of stuff that's in it. So let's start decluttering here. Yeah, let's go. So I keep this bin all the time. This is my box, if you ever heard me talk about my declutter box, and then I just put stuff in here, and then I usually do like a big declutter video. Well, I haven't done one of those in a while. Switch it up. This is exactly what this is. I don't need this. The sliding motion of the palette caused dragging of the shadows, so that was annoying. Storybook Cosmetics. This palette was just not any good. Of course, I have my alarm there. Yeah, so I got that from BoxyCharm. I am just going to have to trash that, unfortunately, because I used it. This I might actually be able to find a home for. I had a friend in mind, but trash. This is brand new blush that I got in a box. This is one of the reasons I quit getting boxes. You're gonna see a lot of stuff from just boxes. I got tired of trying to find homes for everything. It's like, no, I don't, it was just too much stuff. And then I felt responsible to not waste it. So that was too much. All of these, I don't know why I put these in here, but they look like they're pretty well worn and used, so. Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Ooh, that I can tell would be way too red for me. I don't know anybody who could use that right now. I'm gonna kind of put it in this pile of maybe I could find a home for it, or it will be useful to somebody, but this I am decluttering because it made me break out really bad. It's oil-free moisturizer, but it's full of, I don't know what was in it actually. No. This is just really old. This is one of my favorite, I don't use a lot of benzoyl peroxide anymore, but when I do, I really like this Rapid Clear, but I've had this since 2017, or it expired in 2017, and I mean, it was still fine for use as a spot treatment. However, I'm going to go ahead and let that go. This, no. That mini beauty blender was the silliest thing ever. I had this for way too long. It was just a really average lip scrub. It wasn't bad, but it's just old and it goes on my lips. So that's a little, you know. This. I'm not sure what happened here. I think this was, I used this and then it broke. I don't know how it ended up in this box, but this was, is this Velvet Teddy? Like, I feel like this should have ended up in my empties for the year. Oh, Back to Mac. Oh my gosh, I forgot about Back to Mac. So I need a section for Back to Mac. That's why it's in there. I need to clean that out too. Yucky. Laura Geller blush. I like the color of this blush, but I can't really do luminescent blushes. They just make my pores look rather enlarged, so if I could find somebody to take that, that would be cool. These two things from Ace Beauté, they were fine, but I didn't love them, and they were like extra effort. I tried them last year, and maybe my Project 10 Uses video, but I'm gonna go ahead and let those go. Let me come back to that. What is this? Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. Derek, what's that? This didn't do anything for me. It was more like a moisturizing mask. I just didn't really enjoy it. So maybe I'll put it in this. Let me see if I can find somebody at home. Exfoliating Peel Gel. I used quite a bit of that, but it didn't do anything for me either. What are you? Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Yeah, no. No. That's a definite no for me. Bioderma Hydrating Cream. I used about half of this. This was too heavy for me and it made me break out. this was kind of cool. Did I finally decide to get rid of this? It's a teeth cleaning system, but yeah, I need to get rid of that. I'm not going to use it. These, I decided last year, were just a waste of my time. They weren't really doing anything, and they took a lot of extra effort. I might put these in the things, maybe to find a home, or not. I don't know. We'll see how that plays out later. This is part of that tooth system. Man, I can't believe I decided to get rid of that. But I did. So just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Brow Bar, True Brow Makeover Kit. This I need to find a home for. It's just not, if you know what I look like, you know that this is for like a very fair person. Okay, these are just bad products. Well, no, this is just old, which I loved this actually. Super old though, and this product I did not like at all. This Clarins lip tint, and then this Appeal gel eyeliner. I mean, it was like, it was just okay, but like, it was kind of just glitter. Okay, too much stuff. Okay, I'm coming back to these on purpose. Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. This was no good, I didn't think. It didn't work very well. It was skippy. Definitely not the best liner I've ever tried. This made my lips, you know how sometimes some glosses just irritate your lips? This was one of those. That was from Alamar. This is the Eye Luster. Who is this? Ciate Eye Luster. This was fine. I just decided no more cream eyeshadows. Liquid cream eyeshadows. They're just, I don't need them. I don't need them, and they're an extra step. Anastasia Beverly Hills. How did this get in here? Because this is like my favorite brow gel ever, so. Oh, yeah, I have no idea. That's like definitely empty. So, I think I was using the, I like that wand. I was using it with a different something or other. Oh gosh, look at this. This is like separated. This was a concealer and it was not, look at that. You see the white? It was not a very good concealer. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. Okay, I'll throw that out. Appeal liquid eyeshadow. Once again, we're just not doing liquid eyeshadows. Hank and Henry mascara. Yeah, I don't remember what I hated about this, but I can tell for starters that wand. Yeah. Look how dry it is. Boop. Yeah. Oh, yuck. That just went somewhere great. That's what I get. Should have just left it alone. But yeah, that's gone. We're gonna throw that away. And oh, this I liked, but it got old. This was ColourPop. Oh gosh, look how dry it is. Huh. Yeah. I think you can see why that's going. Does it need any explanation? A recovery sleeping mask deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce signs of redness and irritation. Wow, that sounds really nice. Water, dimethicone. Yeah, I can't use it because it has silicone in it. I'm going to pass this along. This was that tooth thing I was telling you about. It was like a buffer, like the dentist used. It was really nice, but it's just like one of those things I don't really need. I just don't need it. This, I think, made me feel not well. It's Gucci Guilty. Let me smell it. Oh, yeah, it gave me a headache. This went bad in a terrible way. Alpha lipoic acid 5%. It got, what's the word? It got super, super duper strong. And it kind of burned me. Another sponge, Rando sponge. Cover FX, Shimmer Veil. Ooh, that's dry. But anyways, I don't care. I had lipstick card. There's that Clarins lip again. Didn't I already talk about that, or is that another one? I have 2 of those. Was I blessed with 2 of those? Oh, this, I forgot about this stuff. I actually like this product. I think this one just was the wrong color for me. Regardless, it's pretty old now. But yeah, I really liked this. This is a natural. It's curious why. I mean, it's definitely too light for me right now, but anyways, I don't know. I'm not sure what happened there. Let's see, this is why is this in here? I have no idea why this is in here. I think it was an accident. This is some natural insect repellent. It didn't work. It was from Baby Ganex. We're gonna let that go. I don't think I meant to put that in there. And then here, I think this is all the MAC stuff, and oh my gosh. I don't even know what can go back to MAC, and some of this is so old, I don't have any idea. So I'm going to need to sort through that. Tell me, what goes back to MAC, you guys? Just lipsticks? I have a paint pot? I have no idea. I guess I could just take it and the salesperson could tell me what goes back to MAC. This, I have no idea. Once again, I have some weird stuff in here. This is just a, like, pumice stone. I don't know why I would put that in there though. Okay, and then I'm actually going to, because I just don't know anybody who, I'm going to actually hold on to these. I'm going to try to mix these into lotion. I do a lot of that these days, and I think that I could use this up doing that. So I'm going to hold, the one thing I'm going to grab out of here is that. But here's all the back to MAC stuff. Let's see. Everything over here is stuff I just need to put in the trash. And then everything over here, which isn't a ton, but I'm going to rehome, except for the baby wipe that I was using to wipe my hands. Okay? Alright. See you in the next one.